Isn't it frustrating that when you post videos on social media, not even your mom watches these videos anymore? Well, sit back, relax. I'm gonna show you one software that's gonna solve all your life's problems.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone?
Okay, maybe not all of your life's problems,
Apparently, it doesn't matter.
but at least now your entire family can sit and enjoy your social media videos. Because let's face it, people's attention spans are lower than ever, and if you want to boost your engagement on social media, then one thing that really helps is to add captions or subtitles to your videos. And that's because a lot of people that watch your videos, maybe English is not their first language, or maybe people are watching your videos while they're busy at work, or maybe they just finally want to get some good quality sleep. Regardless of the reason, the easiest way to do this is to use a software called Clipscribe. Should we mention that it's not free? You gotta pay for it. Now keep in mind that Clipscribe is not free, it's a paid software, so if you're looking for something free, then maybe go ahead and watch a different video.
Okay, so that's how it's gonna be.
But if you're willing to spend $8 a month, then Clipscribe is the easiest and fastest way to make caption videos, not just for one platform, but you can resize and repurpose your content across multiple platforms.
Really?
For example, if you wanted to make vertical videos for Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts, you can do that. If you wanted to make square videos for Instagram, you can also do that. If you wanted to make horizontal videos for Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, you can also do that. And this way, you're gonna boost your engagement and watch time across all the networks, which will signal those networks to push out your content to more and more people. And that's how you grow your channel, that's how you grow your following. So let's get right into it.
Y'all ready for this?
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go on clibscribe.com. They don't have an app, but you can do this on your phone as well as your desktop. So this way, if you have any footage on your phone, you can also upload it directly. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your files. You can drag and drop it on your desktop or click on upload on your mobile phone. Then you wanna select the layout ratio. Depending on which platforms you wanna publish videos on, select that ratio first. I would suggest that if you're gonna publish videos on YouTube, LinkedIn, or any of the platforms that publish horizontal videos, then go with the horizontal option first. And then if you wanna go ahead and resize the videos for other platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you can go ahead and do that. The ratio for horizontal videos is gonna be 16:9. The ratio for square videos on Instagram is gonna be 1:1. And the ratio for vertical videos is gonna be 9:16. Once you're done selecting the ratio that you want, go ahead and generate the captions. It should take about a couple of minutes for the software to generate the captions. Now keep in mind that these captions are not going to be 100% accurate because this is all done through captions. But don't worry about this because you always have the opportunity to go ahead and adjust the captions as needed. There could also be a mistake when it comes to your timing of your subtitles. Maybe you say something but the text comes later or the text comes before. You can easily adjust all this, so don't panic if you see any of this. Then you need to select the types of fonts and the types of titles you want to use. Ideally, you want to use something that's easy to read. So even though there's a lot of fonts available, use something that goes well with your brand and your message, and also something that is easy to read. Now this comes down to the font type and also the colors. You want to use contrasting colors between your background and your font so that it's easy to read, because if people are having a hard time reading, they're just going to skip through your video. And if you're not sure about what brand colors to use or what fonts to use, pause the video right now and check out this guide. Once you've selected all of this, then it comes time to do the fine tuning. Now, like I said, this software is not 100% accurate, but it's pretty accurate in our experience, especially if you have an American accent. Of course, if you have a different accent, it might not be that accurate, but it's pretty accurate. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through the script and fix any mistakes if there's any. For example, you may say a certain word, but it may be misspelled, or maybe there's some grammatical mistakes, maybe some punctuations are missing. You can easily fix all this. You can also go ahead and delete any lines that you don't want to use. Let's say you don't want to capture the video word for word, then you can remove any lines that you feel are unnecessary. You can also choose to hide certain lines, and you can also delete certain text segments completely. You can also hide the text, or you can hide the bars completely. But that's how you get a caption video. But wait, there's more. A lot of people are doing caption videos, but let's face it, captions are just boring. So how do you spice it up? Well, there's a lot of visual components that are built into this Clipscribe that you can use to enhance your videos even further. One common way of enhancing your social media content is to use emojis. And Clipscribe has all the emojis built right into the platform. So let's say you say something funny. You can put a smiling face, a laughing face, or if you're talking about something sad or something surprising, you can always flash those emojis in that frame to enhance it even more. Just keep it more engaging. If you're using a PC, you can also use a keyboard shortcut of Windows and period to use emojis. Or if you're using Mac, you can use Command, Control, and Space. You can also change up the font from one frame to the other depending on the mood of the video. So let's say you want to emphasize certain words. If you're saying something important, you can always go ahead and make that bold or bigger. So I would suggest you play around with this and see what enhances your video and gets your point across. In addition to this, if you want to upload any of your own logos, either for branding or as a watermark, you can go ahead and upload a file as well. Another cool feature that I found is the use of progress bars, because sometimes on social media, people don't know how long the video is going to be. But if you add a progress bar, that keeps people engaged and it might help people watch the entire video start to finish. So you can add different types of progress bars, you can add timers, or you can select the option of using a frame to enhance your videos. I personally like progress bars and timers for these kind of videos. And finally, if you wanted to select a screenshot from a video that you can use for your thumbnail, and in addition to that, if you want to increase the views on your videos, one great way to do this is to use a custom thumbnail. So you can easily take a screenshot of your video and use that as a thumbnail as well. And I actually found that this thumbnail tool is actually pretty easy to use. It's like a simplified version of Canva, and you can easily add text, you can add emojis, or any other elements that you want on the thumbnail to enhance it. Now, if you want to use some advanced editing tools to enhance your videos further, like Final Cut, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, then you can also download the SRT file. And this SRT file simply contains all the subtitles that you can easily upload to any of these editing tools. And you can easily import these subtitles into any of the editing tools that you prefer. If you prefer to use those tools instead of the built-in tools that Clipscribe gives you, I would recommend Clipscribe by itself is good enough for social media videos, so you don't even need to worry about it, but you do have that option. And finally, once you're done with the captions and the edits, you can easily download the video onto your computer, or you can upload it directly to Dropbox. So there you have it. Now you can make a lot of social media content across a lot of different platforms with one easy tool. So I wish you all the best on your journey towards becoming a superstar, but don't forget about all of us little guys when you get famous. But in all seriousness, I think $8 a month is well worth it, especially because you're going to save so much time. If you were to try to do all these captions manually and feed it in, it's just going to take you so much time. I would highly suggest that if you're a creator, you want to remove as many obstacles as possible so that you can create more content. Because ultimately, you want to share your own message with the world. So if there's any obstacles that are unnecessary, why not remove them? And at the end of the day, time is always more valuable than money. So I would say $8 a month is nothing for a tool like this. And I would highly recommend that you use it. And if you want to check out Clipscribe, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. So make sure to check it out. In fact, you can try it 100% free for 7 days. So try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.